Tapos may 60 billion pang salary increase na, if anything, shouldn't even be accounted to the Department of Education's budget para masabing kino-comply nila yung constitution. If that's not sus, I don't know what is. Makikita mo yung kanilang kalkulasyon just so that they can save face and say na they're operating by appropriating budget constitutionally, especially with regards to Article 14, Section 5, Paragraph 5, mandating the highest budget allotment to education. Halatang halata ang malicious compliance na pinagagawa nila just to say that they value education. Buti nga at DPWH ang nakalaban ng DepEd because at the very least, we'll get some flood mitigation projects, bridges, pero please, no more highways. Or at least, wag mo nang dagdagan yung highways na meron tayo, lalo na sa Maynila. And, everywhere actually. And even the private-public partnerships. Just make good roads. Don't add too much. Because even if you add more roads, one more road won't fix shit.